Our customers around the world are primarily from the food and beverage, liquid food industry. Our customer satisfaction is our highest priority. We supply them with the best machines, lines and systems, including all services and innovative IT solutions on a global level. Day after day, our employees make every effort to serve Krones customers all over the world in the best and fastest possible way. This is achieved thanks to our strong international network, which stands out with its more than 100 sites worldwide. And this large number of sites is also needed, as around 90% of Krones solutions are in operation outside of Germany.